this tutorial I will tell you about how to customize the splash screen in Android 12 and in later, because Google just introduced their by default splash screen in our devices that are API versions 12 or greater than 12. So in this tutorial I will tell you about how to change the color of that splash screen, its icon or icon background color. So first we will go to our build.gradle file here, and we will add our this link. Don't worry about that, I will add this to my description and then sync. So this library will be added to our project. Okay, now after syncing successfully, we will go to our theme file. Here we will define a style with name theme dot app dot starting. Why it's not theme dot starting, its parent should theme dot splash screen. Okay, now inside this first we will define our post splash screen theme. That should be this. Okay, so here we will define it this. Just add style here also. Okay, now I want to change the icon, but first we also have to add this. Let's go to our Android manifest, and also in theme let's add theme dot app dot starting. Okay, this theme we have added this theme, and in this theme for post splash screen means after this splash screen, the screen that will come, the theme that will be followed by activity should be this. Okay, so our main application theme is this. Okay, now I have to change my item splash screen icon. So splash screen Windows splash screen animated icon. Okay, so here I will add icon. So to add the icon, just go to drawable, click new, and then vector acid. Okay, so always be sure that our that our icon file should be vector. Okay, we can also add it there with png file or different, but basically it will create some error. So not an error, basically it doesn't fit on the circle now. Sometimes it fits, sometimes it's not fit. So the best way to put icon, it should be a vector icon, or either it will be a PSD, then it will convert Android Studio will convert automatically the PSD to vector. So just click here local file, search for PSD. For this I am using this as this PSD theme. When I click here next, finish, it's added theme. Okay, it created vector icon. Now in my theme I just added. Okay, now also I want to change the background color of my splash screen. Let's edit purple. Okay, also I just okay, it's okay. Now okay, now build our application and check it. Okay, my app just, let me check what's the issues. Main activity, oh I just forgot to initialize my splash screen. Just initialize your splash screen splash screen is equals to splash screen dot initialize. Oh, I just used window here. It should not a window. It's this one. Okay, core splash screen that we have just added here. Not install splash screen. This okay. We have to put it above the super on create. Now build our app again. Okay, the app is now working, but but we have to relaunch it again to check it. Okay, as you see that my icon is displaying and also the background color is purple. Okay, and now I just want my icon background color to white and my splash screen background color purple. Okay, let's build it again. Okay, so as you see that my background color is purple, my icon background color is white, and the icon is this. Okay, this sign. So I hope you understand this. Also we can add the animation here, animated time. Window splash animation duration. Okay, let's do it to 5 seconds. Build it again. So as you see, let me see that it just changes that it would animatedly. Basically it takes time to come from to to add this screen to the splash screen. Let me show you again. Just see the animation after this. Okay, so but that smoothly it just changes screen. So that's that's all for this. Basically it's the basics, and if you want to add any customization, then this splash screen, you can ask me in the comment and I will obviously tell you the more detail about it. So thank you so much guys, take care, do like and subscribe my page all as always. Thanks.